Welcome to Prabhu KB's YouTube channel. I am the CEO Managing Partner of Fibocan LLP. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their investment strategies through our technology products, solutions and innovative investment strategies. In every video, we'll be discussing what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why and when it will happen. Hence, I request everyone to watch the video till the end and click the bell icon and also encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today, December 29, Wednesday, the penultimate day of the weekly expiry option, Bank Nifty closed 0.4% down at 35.45 while Nifty closed at flat 17,213. In fact, last half an hour or 40 minutes, there was a heavy selling due to which Bank Nifty fell and most of the Bank Nifty components fell. One beautiful thing happened today. The closing rate of the last traded rate versus the last traded rate was huge difference. Example, Bank Nifty, the traded rate was 34,890.80 while the closing was 35,045, which means the stop losses have got triggered, which is why it went down dramatically. So tomorrow probably there might be some gap up opening. Anyway, we'll come to that at the end when we give the range. So overall, Bank Nifty components was looking weak. HDFC Bank, now it is above the exponential moving average, but it has to stay at these levels for the next 2 days. Same is the case with HDFC. LIC Housing Finance is hovering around the 2020 close. Manappuram is now below the 2020 close, while M&M Finance is well below the 2020 close, Kotak is well below the 2020 close. So all these things are indicating a negative signal for the banking and financial for the next year. Of course, today nothing much to speak excepting that ICICI is one stock which remained strong even today. AU and Indus jumped by 1.2%, but their weightage is very less in Bank Nifty, hence they are not able to propel Bank Nifty. On the financial front, the others like Shriram Finance, Muthoot, Bajaj Finserv Finance, everything remained flat today. On the insurance and cards, SBI Life, SBI Cards and ICICI General flat, while Pru Life which jumped yesterday, today it fell by 1.5%. Oil and telecom, Reliance and Bharti remained flat, but their long-term trend is intact. IT is one sector which is continuously on up. Today, Apple jumped by 2%, while there was a fall of 1% in Techam, Birlasoft and LTTS, while all other IT stocks remained flat. On the consumer goods, Titan went up while Asian Paints, Coalpal, HLL, all these things, Page, Trent, Britannia remained flat. However, Britannia, HLL, Coalpal and PVR joined this bandwagon of weak stocks. In fact, PVR, if it closes below 2020 close, which it will, it is going to be danger for the next year as well. While Bata and others went down today, Bata, AFRL, Pidilite went down by 1%. Even PVR fell today. On the automobile front, we have been maintaining that Bajaj Auto is a contra buy, same as Hero Motors. Bajaj Auto jumped today by 2.5%, Eicher by 3.5%, Escorts by 1%, Hero flat and Maruti also flat 0.7%, while Ashok Leyland, M&M and Tata Motors fell anywhere from 0.7 to 1.5%. On the metals, overall it went down, excepting JSW it remained flat. Everything went down by anywhere from 0.8% to 2%, which was SAIL, and Vedanta fell by 1% odd. On the healthcare and pharma, Cipla remained flat while all others are strong. Divi is 2% up, and so is the case with Dr. Reddy's. Metropolitan 1% up, Sun Pharma 3% up, while Thyrocare jumped up by 6%. On the others, Adani Enterprise and IRCTC fell by 1.5%. Adani Ports, IEX fell by 0.9%, while MCX also fell by 1.3%, while DLF, Indigo and Polycab remained flat. Jubilant Food jumped up by 1.2%. With all these things, what we can expect for Nifty? Yesterday we are told that Bank Nifty will close in the range of 35,117 to 35,708 for the week ending tomorrow, that is Thursday. Bank Nifty we told that 17,104 to 17,200. We are now revising slightly the rates. Bank Nifty should close anywhere between 35090 to 35313. That is the level for Bank Nifty. While Nifty will close anywhere between 17131 to 17300. Thank you very much for subscribing. Disclaimer, as always, the objective of this video is only for training and educational purpose. Please discuss with your investment advisor before making any investment decision. Thank you very much.